Recently, Volvo subjected 10 of its cars to a 30-foot vertical drop test to help rescue services research about high-speed car crashes.
Ready?
Volvo has been a pioneer in vehicular safety, always pushing the limits in the quest to improve safety. Over the years, the Swedish carmaker has given the world some extremely important safety features, like 3-point seatbelts, curtain airbags.
Today we have dropped 10 cars from 30 meters from a crane.
Rollover protection system, blindspot monitoring system, pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, etc.
To release people inside the car with a severe crash.
We are several different rescue services that cooperate to find best practice in tools.
Now, the manufacturer has gone ahead and done an incredibly unique crash test, a 30-foot vertical drop. This vertical crash, however, isn't to determine the safety of Volvo cars.
And really going about it in such a scientific way as we can. We try to measure everything, what pressure we use, how much force we have to use, how much time, different methods.
Instead, this test was conducted to help Swedish rescue authorities test their tools and develop effective methods to extract people involved in high-speed car crashes.
Normally we crash cars in the laboratory, and this was the first time we dropped them from a crane. We see extreme deformation after the test. And we do this to give the rescue team
a total of 10 Volvo vehicles, all different models, were subjected to the vertical crash, helping simulate different accident scenarios.
For instance, when a car hits a larger vehicle, or when we have accidents in very high speed, or when we have situations where a car is hit where there are no crumple zones, for instance like the T-bone.
Such high-speed crashes often leave people in critical condition, and rescue teams have to be quick and effective in order to save their lives.
The golden hour, and that means we have to have the patient in the hospital at the latest 1 hour after the accident has happened. A problem we have as fire brigade is that when we do train,
Volvo's involvement has helped the Swedish authorities study these crashes and be prepared for them, and thus potentially helping save a lot of lives.
Maybe 20 years old, and they work very differently from the cars today regarding safety and hardness in the steel and how they work when we...
Rescue teams often used accidental and scrap cars for safety training and research, and such vehicles can be up to 2 decades old.
Our work here will end up in a report, and that's not just for us who's working here today. It will hopefully be used all over Sweden.
Vehicular safety technology has taken some major leaps and bounds in the last few years, and build quality of cars has also improved in general.
Roads.
As such, it is absolutely necessary for authorities to test their tools on the latest vehicles as well. We have been working closely together with the Swedish Rescue Services for many years, says Håkan Gustafsson, a senior investigator with the Volvo Cars Traffic Accident Research Team. That is because we have the same goal, to have safer roads for all. We hope no one ever needs to experience the most severe accidents, but not all accidents can be avoided. So it is vital there are methods to help save lives when the most severe accidents do happen. All the findings and results of these crashes will be compiled in a detailed report, which will also be available for other rescue services and authorities to access. Thus, these tests will be beneficial not just for authorities in Sweden, but other countries as well.